Here is the screenshot when I make $1,000 passive income with copper trading. You see, copper trading is a gateway to financial freedom. The power to generate consistent income while you sleep, work, or simply enjoying life. Now, I will share a full video how to do a copper trading in your account. Make sure you watch it till the end of the video. So, what's copy trading? Well, let me break it down for you. You see, with copy trading, you can automatically replicate the trading moves of experienced and successful traders. It's a game changer. Imagine this. Even if you're relatively new to the trading scene, you can follow and copy the strategies and trades of the big league traders. It's like having a mentor by your side, guiding your way to success. Let's dive deeper into how it all works. First, to sign up with OctaFx, just look for the link in the video description below. Be careful with a scam OctaFx link, so make sure you click that from my description. Now, you will be redirected to this page. Here's what to do next. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Once that's done, hit the sign up button. Now, it's time to check your email. You'll receive a message from OctaFx. This is an important step to verify your account. Open the email and look for the confirmation link. Alright, the next step is where we fill in our data. First things first, let's start with your name. You'll need to provide your first name and last name. Next, you will need to select your country from the list and fill in your phone number. Moving right along, fill your date of birth. Finally, there's a section where you can share your trading experience. Once all that's done, click the Continue button and you're on your way. In this part, you have a couple of options. If you plan to use OctaFx copper trading only, I'd recommend going for the standard option. However, if you also want to create an MT4 or MT5 account, then the custom option is what you should select. For this example, let's go with the standard option. Once you've made your choice, click on the Create Accounts button. Next, you'll receive your OctaFx account information. But we can skip that for now and head straight to the View Dashboard option. Once you're in the dashboard, take a look to the right, and you'll see the Get Started checklist. Click on a Verify Profile. Now, here comes the part where you need to provide some identification. You can upload your government ID, driver's license, or even your passport. And that's it. You have finished the sign-up process. Now let's start with the first part of doing the copper trading. First things, look at the bottom right of the screen, and you'll spot the copy trading option. Go ahead and click on that to get things rolling. Now, to make use of the copy trading feature, we'll need to deposit some funds. To do this, click on the deposit option at the top of the page. OctaFx offers various deposit methods. You can choose to deposit using a bank, e-wallet, or even cryptocurrency. Pick the method that suits you best. Once you've successfully made the deposit, head back to the copper trading option. Now, I'll switch over to my actual account to show you how to make a profit using OctaFx copy trading. As you can see again, I make more than $1,000 with only following one master trader. Now, at the rating sub-menu, you can see a master trader that you can follow. Now, here's a tip for you. When you check out the ratings, make sure to find a master trader with over 1 year of experience. Trust me, it's a crucial point. I've got a screenshot right here that shows the impact. Some master traders with less than a year of experience didn't work out for me. So many master trader below 1 year blow my account. I will recommend one master trader that survived more than 1 year. In the nickname section, simply search for Money Walker. Then click that master trader. The first thing you must see is that master trader is survived for 604 days. Means it above 1.5 years. In the description, it said using FX Scalper XEA. When you click all the performance, it's only record for 95% gain. It's because the master trader always withdraw the profit. If you head over to the Activity tab, you'll find some impressive graphical performance. And remember what I mentioned earlier, in the History section, you can check the balance operation, and it's clear that this master trader fully withdraws the profit. That's a strong indication of a super profitable master trader. To copy this master trader, click on that Setup Copying option. Next, you'll need to decide how much you want to copy from the master trader's trades. You can choose to copy them with equal lot or 1 times, twice the lot, or triple the master lot. My recommendation is go with 1 times and consider adding some fund support, like $50 or $60. Finally, click on that Start Copying option. It's as simple as that. So, just to wrap things up, I've got an important tip for you when it comes to choosing a master trader. Be careful to choose a master trader below 1 year account. I have tried more than 5 master and all did not survive for long time. The Money Walker is the only master that survived for more than 1.5 years and can give me a passive income.